Nobody will teach you this, but this one entry technique can completely change your binary option result. Most traders focus on finding signals, indicators, and strategies, but they ignore the most important part, the entry. That's why many good setups still end in losses. In this video, I'll show you exactly what a marginal safety entry looks like, how to identify it, and how it can help you avoid poor entries and improve your overall trading performance. Alright traders, I've selected a currency pair where the price is forming an ascending triangular pattern, and it appears that the next candle is likely to break above the resistance zone. However, I'm not going to take an immediate call entry. Instead, I will wait for my marginal safety entry. As you can see, the breakout has happened. Now, once the next candle comes down and test our support, that's when I'm going to place my call entry for the next candle. So I will wait for the candle to come little bit down somewhere around the red zone which I have marked, and that's exactly where we're going to place our marginal safety entry. This will give us that edge and additional protection of our entry. And look at that, this is what we call a perfect entry, because now the resistance which was previously acting, now it's going to be a support area. Even though the breakout does not look as effective and good, however, the previous candle was a healthy green candle which doesn't have any low wick, which I have explained so many times that a green candle without low wick is a strong healthy green candle. And also my second confirmation was the pattern. It was in an ascending triangular pattern, and look at that, this is a clean win. Alright traders, so now take a look at this setup. The candle that formed is a very healthy bullish candle, but there's also a significant fair value gap which can act as a major supply zone. And in this situation, you should not directly take a put entry from fair value gap. The reason is very simple, that the previous candle was extremely strong and bullish, which means momentum is still in favors of buyers. Instead, what you can do is you can place your marginal safety entry. A good marginal safety entry can be taken somewhere around a 60% retracement of the previous healthy bullish candle. That gives you a much safer entry point and more room for the trade to develop, just how I have taken right now. This is the beauty of marginal safety entry, that even if the current candle forms as a red one, your trade is still going to close in profit because your entry price is significantly better. Remember, we are not simply trading in 1 minute time frame, we are trading the behavior of a specific candle, and the entry price matters just as much as the direction. Marginal safety entry is one of the most powerful concepts in binary option trading, yet very few traders explain it in proper way. And as you can see, this is a winning trade even if the candle formed as a red one. Because of the marginal safety entry, our trade is a winning trade. Let me explain you with a screenshot. As you can see, we have got a fair value gap and market may or may not reverse, but because of the bullish candle, the market was in a bullish momentum. I was skeptical about my put entry. That's why I decided to take my marginal safety entry around somewhere around this area, and you can see there's a continuation pattern going on. The candle made higher, so marginal safety entry would have been better if the candle come down. We had 30 seconds time to place our marginal safety entry, and that's exactly how I did, and the trade was a deep winning trade. Now you see there is red candle forming, and we will not take any more trades in this setup until we get a clear confirmation. So let's hunt for that next perfect marginal safety entry. If you can align your marginal safety entry with both the major and minor trend, your winning ratio can be extremely high, around 90% under favorable market condition. However, the real strength of a marginal safety entry is that even when the major and minor trends are not perfectly aligned, it can still provide a significantly higher probability setup compared to a regular entry. Alright traders, I can see a very good setup forming here. The major and minor trend both are bullish. However, the current candle is a very strong bearish candle, and based on the current price action, I'm looking for a put opportunity, but I'm not going to take a regular entry. I'll wait for marginal safety entry. If you have watched my previous video, I've explained the concept of liquidity sweep, and that's exactly what is happening here. You can see that the green candle has swept the liquidity of the previous candle, the highs, and it was immediately followed followed by a strong red bearish candle. The rejection indicates that sellers have stepped onto the market. Now I will wait for the candle to go up, test this area, and I'll place my marginal safety entry. Why this? Because the green candle now will act as a order block. Okay, so I will have to wait for the candle to go up and test that area. Perfect. Now I'm going to place my marginal safety put entry. Okay. I have taken this trade because we have a clear demand zone below, which I have marked with a blue box, and also a supply zone above. Rather than taking a random entry, I've selected a higher probability setup and executed it with proper marginal safety entry. The key advantage here is that even if the candle turns bullish and close as a green one, I will still have a strong chance of winning the trade because my entry price is much better than regular market entry. And this is exactly why marginal safety entry is so important. And look at that, guys. This trade exactly played out in my favor, and my marginal safety entry was worth. It's not just about getting the direction right, but it's about entering at a price that gives you enough room for the market to fluctuate while still keeping the odds in your favor. That's what separates a high probability trade from an average one. Please note that why I have taken my marginal safety entry here, because the red candle has broken below the previous green candle, which has swept the liquidity, and that's my entry point, and that played out very well. Now I will not be taking any more trades in this particular currency pair because the major trend is still bullish. However, this trade is a winning trade. Comment me down below which country you are watching this video from, and yes, if you are not already in my Telegram, do join it. The link is given in the description box. I'll come back with another powerful video. Until then, keep learning, and as always, happy trading, guys.